Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got Veganuary Day 10 recipe. It's cold, it's dinner time, people want to eat in a hurry. I've got something that's cheap and satisfying and it comes together really quickly. And it is potato pea curry. I grew up eating a lot of curries as a kid. My dad loved curry so much he would even put curry powder in his like chicken breading if he made like fried chicken or something. So let's begin. It's super simple. We're going to have it over rice, and the reason it's going to be so satisfying is because it's potatoes in the curry over rice, so double starches. Yum. So let's start off by adding a very little bit of olive oil. You don't have to add this. Obviously you could saute in water if you're SOS free, but I like a little olive oil in there. We're going to get the pan hot, and then we're going to saute our onions. And don't worry, all of the measurements will be in the info box below. So we'll get these in there.
You missed some. Oh, there you go.
I know, I had to go back for my spoon. Alright, once these start to get a little translucent, we'll add the garlic. And then we'll check back. Alright, I'm taking the easy way out today. I got myself another bag of hash browns.
Why work harder if you don't have to?
Work smarter, not harder. These are pretty clean ingredients. I mean, it's basically just potatoes and a little bit of preservatives. And look, it's already done for me. Everything. So I've got my onion and garlic in here already. I'm adding my potatoes. This is a 30-ounce bag of potatoes. I would say that's probably equivalent to 4 to 5 medium to largest russet potatoes. Say that fast.
Yeah. No, thank you.
And I'm going to add in my spices so that my spices have a chance to, you know, marry the other stuff. We have cumin, we have curry powder, and we have turmeric. And some sea salt. So we're just going to cook this for another minute. Oh, I can smell it already.
Oh, it smells really good.
Why, thank you. Now we're going to add some liquids because I don't want this to burn. So we have a can of full fat coconut milk.
Sizzle, sizzle.
I know. I'm not going to make this with as much coconut milk as I usually would because that's a lot. That's really, I feel like too much fat. So I'm going to add also the same amount of oat milk. Or you could use any plant milk. That would be fine. Which I'm going to do. I got to get it out of the fridge. I didn't have it out because I didn't want it to spoil.
We just went on a wild ride.
I know, sorry. We're also adding some tomato paste. That's going to give us our nice dark color and tomatoey flavor. I'm going to grab the oat milk and we'll add that. Alright, so you don't want to use a vanilla one for this because that would be bad. We want a original flavor. Non-sweetened, non-vanilla-y. So we're going to bring this up to the boil. We're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. It comes together really quickly. You don't have to cook it that long. And then at the very last, we're going to add the peas because we don't want the peas to get mushy. We want the peas to still be like peas.
That's looking good.
Oh, thank you.
I guess we'll check back in a bit.
I guess I'll see you in 20 minutes. Alright, we're ready to add the peas. So this has been cooking for about 20-ish minutes. And it's so hot, I'm just going to put the peas in, give it a stir, and let it sit for 5 minutes. The rice has 8 more minutes, so I'm just going to let it sit.
It looks nice and thick.
It is, but I think I used a little bit too much turmeric, so in the ingredients I'm going to put less turmeric. All right, there it is.
Ooh.
And you are horribly out of focus.
Story of my life.
There you go.
We're ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Hey, look at how beautiful that is.
It is really beautiful.
Mm.
However, too much turmeric.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
But maybe you won't think it is. I don't know.
I mean, I don't have as refined a palate as you, so.
Well, I don't know about that.
It smells good.
You can put hot sauce on it if you want.
I'll just try it pure. For
Yeah.
now.
Just pure, please.
Mmm. Tastes great to me.
Okay. Then I guess it's a winner, baby.
Yeah, I think it's really good.
Fast, easy, cheap, filling.
Yeah, I like it. I will say too much turmeric,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still good.
Right.
Still
just,
slaps.
just imagine it with a little bit less. So
Yeah.
I'm going to write up the recipe in the info
Yeah, the
box.
correct
with the...
amount will
Right.
be in the info, but I like it.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy.
Thank you. I hope you do too.
Because well, as we're filming this, it's Friday night.
Yay!
And I think that I just might.
Have some curry.
That's right.
That's what I'm planning. So,
All right.
thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you give this a try because it's delicious. And don't forget to subscribe.
Smash the like button.
Don't smash it. You just gotta,
Tap it.
yeah. So
Give it a little tap tap.
Exactly. So thank you again for watching. And until next time, much love.